Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Particle Boron LTE board. I'm going to bring up my video of my LTE board on the bottom left hand corner of the screen here. Sorry, bottom right hand corner. I keep saying left, I'm not too sure why. You can see it's an Boron LTE. I'm going to power it up with my USB cable here. So you can see it's supposed to go through a sequence of boot up cycle and all that other stuff that they're supposed to do, but it goes straight into blinking yellow, which is actually a DFU mode. That it's actually DFU stands for device firmware update mode. It stays there for the longest time, so I'm not too sure exactly why is it doing that. So let's find out as we go through this journey. So I'm gonna open my device manager, open up here, and make sure that I can actually see my boron. I can't really see my boron here for some weird reason, but I do have a universal serial bus device and its boron is in DFU mode. So it looks like it's stuck. I'm going to power cycle the boron again one more time. Disconnect the USB cable and connect it back again. Just one. Okay. So there's no more boron there, right? Neither is it on the COM port. So if I were to connect, power up my boron with the USB cable on the computer, the device manager refreshes and boron is back here. If I open this guy here, if I look at the details of it or event, you can actually see that this here was configured, device started, not migrated, was not migrated due to partial ambiguous match. Seems like I have a USB driver issue here. I'm not entirely sure, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna download a USB driver for boron, and I found an article that's pretty handy. So if you open your trusty old Google and you type device, yeah, I've typed this before. Click that guy here, the very first article. So if you were to scroll down a bit, somewhere along the way, it says that if your device is in DFU mode but unable to respond from the CLR, LI, check your cable. I know my cable is 100% because I programmed two other boron using this cable, so it's not, this is it. But if you get an error that reads this, I don't know where this comes from, but check and make sure that you have the most recent driver installed. I'm going to click this guy here, keep. Once the download is complete, show folder, bring it down here, and basically try to install that part setup. Looks like it's successfully done. Close it. You can see there's no more boron there. Is there any boron here? You can see my boron is still powered up on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. There's no boron. Maybe just need a power cycle. Remove the power. Slap the power back on again. Let's see if the COM port comes up here. Okay. Looks like it's still in DFU mode. It's blinking. There you go. USB K link device. That's kind of strange, but let me try talking to it using particle USB start listening. I'm trying to put it into listening mode, which is blinking blue. Should not be in DFU mode. I'm gonna power cycle reset here. Press the reset button here. See if that helps. Looks like it's not helping at all. Let's see what else it says here. Once open DFU mode, enter the following command. Okay, we're gonna try this guy here. It is in DFU mode. You should be able to flash the firmware in there. Okay. It's actually a kernel firmware that we are flashing. Okay, it's doing something different right now. Flashing green means it's looking for the internet. And let's give it a few moments here. At least it's not in DFU mode right now, so which is a good thing. If I look at the COM port right now, I do see boron now, which is a good thing, right? And it's not in the DFU mode. It's awesome. So we're getting somewhere, but not quite exactly where we want to be, if you know what I mean. So I think I need to put my firmware in there. So I'm just gonna log into my build.io. So I'm gonna put in my bus tracker app here, verify it, pretty standard stuff. Oh, it looks like it's breathing cyan right now if you look at the bottom right hand corner. So it took a while, right? So it does have a bus tracker firmware in there. So I'm just gonna open up my console here and see if it actually talks here. And this is bus number 5. No location bomb. So okay, it looks like yep, so it is talking. So it is trying to talk, so which is a good thing. So so I guess it sort of resolved the problem. So what I did was to get around this would be to basically do a particle update. I guess that was what's holding it up. I tried listening and putting the board to listen. It didn't work. I did update. She worked like a charm. So I hope this small little tip will help. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.